Space is an endless ocean of mystery. We are like small fish, swimming in its vast expanse. We know so little about the universe. We are surrounded by wonders, both beautiful and terrifying. One of the most awe-inspiring and fearsome objects in the universe is a black hole. Black holes are regions of space-time where gravity's pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They are formed from the remnants of collapsed stars, their cores crushed to an unimaginable density. Imagine the Earth squeezed into a space smaller than a marble. That's the kind of density we're talking about. These cosmic monsters lurk in the darkness, their presence felt only through their gravitational influence. They distort the fabric of space-time, bending light and warping the flow of time itself. What would happen if such a behemoth wandered into our solar system? The consequences are almost too terrible to contemplate. The very structure of our solar system, the delicate balance of planets orbiting the sun, would be thrown into disarray. The gravitational pull of a black hole would disrupt planetary orbits, sending them careening off in unpredictable directions. The possibility of collisions between planets would become very real. Imagine Earth, our home, set adrift in the cosmic ocean, a tiny vessel tossed about by the waves of a gravitational storm. The arrival of a black hole wouldn't be a sudden cataclysmic event. It would be a slow, creeping terror. The first sign would be subtle shifts in the orbits of the outer planets. Astronomers would notice discrepancies in their predicted positions, a cosmic tremor hinting at the approaching darkness. As the black hole drew nearer, its gravitational influence would grow stronger. The inner planets, including Earth, would start to feel its pull. Our planet's orbit would become more elliptical, swinging us closer to and farther from the sun. Seasons would become extreme, summers scorching hot and winters bitterly cold. The tides would be affected too. Imagine tides not just twice a day but fluctuating wildly, sometimes towering hundreds of feet high, other times receding miles from the shore. Coastal cities would be inundated, entire coastlines reshaped by the black hole's gravitational dance. The fate of Earth in this cosmic ballet is uncertain. The black hole might pass through our solar system, disrupting our world but ultimately leaving it intact. Or it could capture Earth in its gravitational web, pulling us into an ever-tightening spiral. As we spiraled closer to the black hole, the effects of its gravity would become more extreme. Time itself would slow down. The intense gravitational pull would stretch our planet, a phenomenon known as spaghettification. Imagine Earth being pulled like taffy, its surface contorting and stretching towards the black hole's singularity. But long before we were stretched into oblivion, the intense radiation surrounding the black hole would likely fry our planet. The very fabric of our world would be ripped apart, leaving behind only a trail of cosmic dust. The once vibrant blue planet, teeming with life, would be reduced to nothing more than a faint whisper in the cosmic void. The black hole's journey through our solar system would leave a trail of destruction in its wake. Planets would be ejected from their orbits, flung into the interstellar void. Others might collide, creating spectacular cosmic fireworks. The familiar architecture of our solar system would be unrecognizable. The sun itself wouldn't be spared. The black hole's gravity could distort its shape, pulling out streamers of hot gas. Our star might even be partially consumed, its energy feeding the insatiable appetite of the black hole. The solar system, once a beacon of light and life, would become a warped and twisted testament to the power of gravity. The night sky would be transformed too. Instead of the familiar constellations, we would see a swirling vortex of light and darkness, the black hole's accretion disk shining brightly as it devoured matter. The familiar constellations, our celestial guideposts, would be lost in the chaotic dance of stars around the black hole. We know so little about black holes. They are still shrouded in mystery. We can only theorize about their inner workings, their strange and exotic properties. We know that they are regions of extreme gravity, where the laws of physics as we know them break down. What happens inside a black hole? Is it a gateway to another universe? Does time cease to exist at its singularity? These are questions that continue to baffle scientists. The arrival of a black hole in our solar system would provide a unique opportunity to study these cosmic enigmas up close. But it would also be a terrifying experiment, one that could cost us everything. The knowledge gained might come at the ultimate price, the destruction of our world. The pursuit of knowledge is a noble endeavor, but it's a pursuit that sometimes carries with it unimaginable risks. The universe is a vast and wondrous place, filled with both beauty and terror. Black holes are just one of the many mysteries that the cosmos holds. Their existence is a reminder of the power of nature, the forces that shape the universe on a grand scale. As we continue to explore the universe, we are bound to encounter more strange and wonderful phenomena. The dance of planets, the birth and death of stars, the collision of galaxies, these are all part of the grand cosmic ballet. It's a ballet that has been going on for billions of years, and it will continue long after we are gone. We are fortunate to live in a time when we can witness this cosmic spectacle. We are the first generation of humans to truly understand the scale and wonder of the universe. Let us embrace this knowledge and let it inspire us to continue exploring the mysteries of the cosmos, even as we acknowledge the awe-inspiring power of the forces that shape our universe.